In this video, I'm going to explain what a caulking gun is and how you set up a tube of caulking or construction adhesive inside of it. So maybe you're new to this, to DIY or projects. This is what is called a caulking gun. This is a device that you use in order to apply adhesive or caulking that comes in tubes like this. This, in my case, I have some Loctite Premium. This is construction adhesive. This is, imagine like heavy duty super glue, but from a construction perspective. And you're gonna apply this to bring two materials together indefinitely. This stuff lasts for a very long time and it does not fail often. So this is a cardboard tube and it has a layer across the top that seals it in. So it's airtight right now. And this bottom part is actually an inner tube as well that will move with pressure. Okay, so this is a caulking gun if you're new to it. It has a lever right here. If you pull that lever in, you can then move this rod freely. And this is important because this is going to allow you to open up the chamber so that you can put your caulking tube in it. You would do that like this. And then you can pull the trigger to tighten it up. So now it's nice and tight in there. Let me show you this. So as you pull the trigger, this will push the material out of the tube so that you can use it and apply. So you put your caulking or your adhesive inside and you set it. So now you would be able to use it, except there's one thing, everything is sealed on the inside. So what you need to do is cut the tip and then poke through, because there's a foil cover that you need to poke through so that the material can come out. All of that is built inside of this. So this tool has a handy tip cutter built into it. So you just put the tip in and it'll actually cut a nice little 1/4 inch size. So that's just what I need. Another thing that's built into this is you can spin this wire around and go like this. And notice that the wire is going to be longer, so it'll actually pierce through once it's on the inside. So I've done that. So now I have my tube, it's opened, it's pierced through. Now I can set it. And then as I pull this trigger, it's gonna push the material through the tube and out. So now I'm gonna get to my job that I need this for. I hope this video was helpful for you in explaining the basics of a caulking gun and the tubes and how to prep it. Thanks for watching.